everyone, welcome back to another one of my video, Faith and Foods Variety video. I will be sharing with you fruits that I love and grew up on. You know, a lot of all these fruits in this video I love and I grew up on them, except for maybe the blueberry. Yeah, but other than that, everything else I grew up on, you know, in Jamaica, and I love these fruits, and they are natural sweet fruit with you. Some of them I did share. I think I did share like the jackfruit and the sugar cane. You know, I'll leave a link to other videos that are related to this video. And in this video, I just want to share with you so you can understand me better. Sometimes when I'm talking about, you know, jackfruit or Naseberry, you know what it is that I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm happy and excited to share with you all these fruits because they're all sweet. Okay, so please watch this video till the end, and also, you know, outdoor things that I like, such as being outdoor, hearing the trees swaying, the warm breeze, the chirping of the birds, and all that, because I'm excited about summer. And these are things that I eat, you know, off camera. So without further ado, let's get. So guys, here are the sweet mangoes. These mangoes are really sweet. These mangoes, they are like super sweet, guys. I love these mangoes. And this is the Guinep. For, you know, those of you that are not from the Caribbean, this is Guinep. And this is SweetSop, one of my favorite fruits. But these things are costly, guys, in the foreign countries like Canada. And then I'm gonna taste this one for you to see. SweetSop. This is the opposite of the soursop. Soursop is what we used to make juice or, you know, ice cream. And then this is blueberries. This is these things I grew up on in Jamaica. The SweetSop, the Guinep, and mangoes. And also I will put link to, you know, some other fruits that I've spoken about earlier in other videos, like jackfruit. I will put the link below in this video. And this is blueberries. I love blueberries, guys. And this is cherries, guys. These cherries are super sweet. Okay, I don't know how you like your cherries, but guys, when I'm picking up cherries, I don't pick up the cherries that is this color. Okay, no, that color and hard is not my type of cherry. My type of cherry is like this. My type of cherry must be like black red. These cherries, guys, these cherries, they're soft and they are super sweet. I'm not joking. Okay, they're super sweet. So that's my definition of cherries. Okay, they must be that color, like black red. Okay, black red. So let me taste these produce for you to see. I'm just sharing some of my some of the fruits that I, you know, get in the summertime that I really love. So let me taste the Guinep. The Guinep I've never introduced before, and or tasted for you to see. And you know, those of you from the Caribbean, you know what these fruits are. And the SweetSop I also want to share because this is one of my favorite. But if this SweetSop, guys, if you leave it out in the warmth and it's not in the cold, you know, after you can put it to ripe like in a paper bag for a couple of days. But if you leave it outside and it's not in the fridge, that's only worm that's gonna form in this thing. But I love it as long as you know, keep it under the right condition, like in the cool in the fridge after it's ripe. Like if it's not ripe, then fine, you can have it out for, you know, 2-3 days in a paper bag, and when it gets soft, you feel it's soft, then you know it's time for it to go in the fridge. Just let me taste the Guinep for you. That's the Guinep. Okay, and It's stainy, so I put my hand here because I don't want it to drop on my clothes when you bite. It can stain your clothes, okay? And some of the Guineps comes in like twin Guineps. Okay, that's what the Guinep looks like. And let me bite this one. So there's a seed inside, and you bite it. You like bite this out of, or you, as well as you can squeeze it. You can squeeze it out. And that's the Guinep. Okay, and then you're gonna suck the fruit off it. Some of them are sweet, sometimes they're sour, and then some of them comes in twin. Twin Guineps is like you have two seeds together, right? Twin. So you just suck it off. That's what you do. And sometimes when they're really sweet, I would chew up the seed and spit it out. Yeah. So basically, that's what you do. That is what you do. Suck it off until it's clean. So people don't like it because when you suck it, that's the trash it leaves behind. And then you swallow that. So you suck it out of the shell. When you clean it off, then it's garbage. And that's the Guinep. These are the cherries. Okay, let me get closer. These are cherries. These cherries, guys. The cherries are like black red. You're at the right place. You're picking up the right cherries, right? Cherries. These cherries are like sweet, super sweet. They're sweet. So just remember, guys, this color, and you can't go wrong. The red as in the other color red I'm talking about, the color that I showed you. The red as in the M&M here. No, that's not the red you're going for. You're going for this red. Look at the difference. You might be going, oh, it's cherry and it needs to be red. Well, black red is what you need. This is super sweet. Unless you like sour cherries, then fine. Good. And then the next thing I'm gonna try for you is the SweetSop. So guys, here's the SweetSop. I love SweetSop. Like really, I love it. So your SweetSop, you would hold it and break it in two. I washed it. Break it in two, and when you open it, you're seeing the soursop, right? You're seeing the same look as the soursop with seeds in the middle. And I'm in heaven. I love SweetSop. I grew up on these things, guys. I love it because it's sweet, right? You don't have to be put in sweet milk as in the soursop to make it sweet. So there's the SweetSop, and there's seeds in the middle as in the soursop. And also I'll put the soursop link into this video. If you have not seen that video, you could go over to the video, or I'll put the link below in this video in the description area. So you break your soursop, and yeah, you just suck. You're not gonna eat the sweet. Sugar, guys. Maybe some people call it sugar apple. I'm not sure if this is what you call sugar apple, because the first thing you taste is sugar. Okay, but I know there's other names for. There might be other name for the Guinep. You might know it has a different name, but this is or a different name for the SweetSop. This, oh my god. I go anywhere you tell me SweetSop is, I'll go buy it. Really sweet, like I'm telling you, sugar. They're tasting sugar. See the outer part? So guys, these SweetSop are big, but and thereby we get weight. Now I asked the guy how much these SweetSop cost, guys. Guys, 2 SweetSop cost $14. I'm like, $14? I hardly put back one. And I bought one, it cost me $7. I know they're big, but they're expensive, but I love it. So I had to buy it. I didn't care what it cost. So that's how you eat your SweetSop. You suck out that part until it's clean. Suck out all the sweetness. The SweetSop is like sugar cane, and then this is garbage. Okay. SweetSop, heaven. I'm in heaven. Guys, it sure is good. I love SweetSop. So guys, if you Googling, you can Google in the benefits of the SweetSop, you know, and all these fruits. Google in its benefits. Okay? Do your own research. And that's a seed. I just suck the seed off. Don't swallow it. Suck it off and throw it away. This part, I eat it clean, and then that's garbage. Truly is my favorite fruit, guys. SweetSop probably is. It's like sugar cane. Because I mean, too much sweet is not good for you, but I like natural sweetness, right? Then having to be consuming sugar and stuff like that. The natural sweet fruits or sweet potato, you know, anything sweet I like. That way you can have less of the, you know, the man-made, you'd say, sugar, or the sugar that goes through, you know, all this processing. But SweetSop, I love it. And that's a fact, guys. That is a fact. Really delicious SweetSop. It's really sweet, guys. I love it. So guys, let me give you a closer shot on the Guinep. See the Guinep? I'm not sure if you know it by a different name. And then you squeeze it out in your mouth. Squeeze it out. And that's the fruit. It is yummy. And you suck it off. Sometimes they're sour and sometimes they're sweet. Okay, and this is the inside of the trash. This is garbage. Yeah, you suck it out, squeeze it out in your mouth, you suck on it, suck on that fruit until it's all seed. Now guys, when you suck on it, you know, this will be on your tongue, like when you scrape your tongue with your teeth, then the fruit itself, this piece, some people swallow it, and if you want to spit it out you could, but I suck it for the juice, and this, you suck it dry like this. Yeah, and that is the Guinep. I'm not sure if maybe Google has other names for it. Now guys, I also would like to show you the watermelon, another one of my favorite fruit. I love it for its water. It's watery content. You know, it's watery then. And also I like sweet watermelon. And coconut water, which has like so many benefits. Okay, and this is the water coconut. Okay, so guys, for the coconut, I just asked the guy to cut it for me, but I told him I don't want him to cut the top, so that, you know, cut it all together so that when I go home I can enjoy it. And that was what he did. So, you know, you ask them to cut it, so when you go home it's easy for you to, you know, drink. And I like coconut water that are watery, and this white thing that looks like egg white, that's the meat. In Jamaica, these coconut are full of it. Okay, and the natural coconut water is good for you. Lots of electrolyte, and let me drink it for you to see. Cheers, guys. So you insert your straw, or, you know, in Jamaica we would, like, if we don't have a straw, you put the coconut at your head and drink it like that, you know. But I don't want anything to go to waste, so it's really good. So if we don't have a straw in Jamaica, we go like this. You put your mouth over it, and then you drink it. Okay, and then we would chop, after we finish the water, they chop it in two, and all this meat that looks like egg white, you eat it. It's good. And this is alkaline water, like real natural water. It's ice cold, guys, because I had it in the fridge. This heals your body. This type of water brings healing to your body. It's really cold. It's really cold. But I'm enjoying it, guys. It's cramping my head. I am enjoying it. I love it. It's good. There's a lot of water still left in it. Watermelon, guys, sweet. These mangoes, I'm telling you, these mangoes, guys, are really sweet. They're sweet mangoes, but these baby ones are truly sweet. Cut it. Really sweet. Small like a, what do you say, egg or. When I was in Jamaica, guys, I live on these things. It's really good. I recommend you guys. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. Go to your, you know, check out, find out where is it that you can get these Caribbean fruit from, because they're really good for you. They're organic. I'm in heaven. Feels like I'm in heaven, guys. This is so sweet. I love it. So you eat, you know, the seed, eat around the seed, suck it off, all the fruit, and you're good. Yep, you peel the skin, suck all this fruit from off, and you'll be nourished. Really good. Guys, I'm not exaggerating. It couldn't be better. Like, it's perfect. But you know, mangoes, guys, you have to be careful. Like, you know, if they're going bad, like if you see like blemishes like black or brown, you know, that doesn't look normal. You check, because there can be worm in your mangoes. Okay, not only mangoes, a lot of food has worm, like fruits and vegetables. If they go bad, you know, you have to check. Really good. What I like about these mangoes, you can put the whole seed in your mouth, but be careful not to swallow it. Okay, don't let it fight on your throat. You can choke on it. It's really good. Guys, please, if you want to Google or wherever that you do your research, and you know, check out the benefits on these things. You will be nourished, I guarantee you. You'll be nourished, you'll be healed, you'll be thankful, you'll be happy, a better person. You know, you'll be positive. You'll become positive then, as in motivated. These fruits and vegetables will make you stronger. You know, you think, gives you clarity, helps you to think better, like every positive word you can think of. Trust me, the mango is talking here, okay? And guys, I'm excited. I'm happy. I am so happy when I have these things around. Honestly, I am. And I give God thanks for you know, for giving us fruit trees. What would we do without fruit trees and vegetables? Like, there's a lot to give thanks for, you know. So guys, when you chop your coconut, this is what, you know, you'll be enjoying. That's the meat. Okay guys, but I'm having a hard time chopping this coconut open. But then you would split it in two, but you know, I'm gonna fight with it, so, because the skin is tough. And then you use your spoon and go in and take the meat out, okay, because you don't want it to go to waste. It looks like egg. After the water, you're not done with it. Okay guys, so after the coconut water, you are not done with the coconut. You get someone to chop it for you, or chop it outside, and be careful. And then you eat that in the part that looks like egg white. You eat it. Okay, you go in with your spoon and you scrape out. This is what you're missing on. Okay, you're missing out on. Good. Delicious. It's good, guys. Coconut is good for you. The water coconut, even the one to cook with. Okay. Guys, we must remember that our health matters. Okay, it doesn't matter how much money you have. Without your health, you have nothing. And these fruits are healthy. They're good for you. So guys, your June plum now. The June plum, when you're buying them. June plum can be green or ripe. So sometimes we peel these ones and put salt. You peel it and rub salt on it, light amount of salt, and then eat it. Or even on the ripe ones, but the ripe ones, I prefer the ripe ones, and I don't really like to add salt. So yeah, you take your knife and peel the skin. Peel not too deep into the skin. So you know, you peel everything, guys, and then you can use a knife and cut, you know, the June plum. I won't say much about the June plum because I have another video. Cut it, knife, or you just bite. Okay, and that's the June plum. Now this is blueberry. I love blueberries. So sweet. It's really good. Love blueberries. And these are some of the fruits that I like, guys, and I also love plants. Okay, and I'll show you a plant that my son gave me, a tomato plant. I'm hoping it will grow. I'm hoping that it will grow. My son gave me, it's outside, but I'll insert a clip of that plant that he gave me, my son Dwayne. See that little tomato coming up? So guys, before I end the video, I also would like to show you jackfruit that I have in other videos, but most of all I want to show you the Naseberry. This is the Naseberry, and I'll break it open for you to see how it looks. And these are all sweet fruits that I love and I grew up on. So this is jackfruit that you have already seen, guys. You know, I break like these yellow pieces. This yellow piece is what you eat, and this beige piece is Danish. And I also have video out on how you can cook the seed. You cook the seed, right? I already shown you that. So that seed, you can cook it and eat. It tastes like potato. And I won't get back into that video, but I could leave a link. I leave a link to that video into the description area. Yeah, so jackfruit, you peel this piece, you know, get rid of this, and what we're gonna eat is this, the yellow fruity part here. It tastes really good. And if you bite a piece that doesn't taste good or is not chewing properly in your mouth, like here, it's hard, that means you get rid of it. You cut that piece off. So, but most of all, I wanted to show you the Naseberry. Okay, this is the Naseberry. I'm just hoping this one is good. Yeah, so you break it open. When you feel it, it feels soft, guys. Okay, if it's hard, then it's not ready. I have a big one here. Let me show you. This big one here, I didn't wash it as yet, but it's a bit hard, so you know I won't break it open. So they come in different sizes, and when you break it open, that's how it looks. And it is sweet. So let me taste it. Sweet like cake. So guys, this is the jackfruit once again. And I love jackfruit. It is sweet. I love it. You chew on it and it's all yummy. I love it, guys. Jackfruit is sweet. Naseberry is sweet. SweetSop is sweet. And these are all sweet fruits that I grew up on. Okay, I was raised on fast foods and stuff like that. And I love and appreciated these things. I love them growing up, and until this day, these are the things I miss, you know, in Jamaica. So I chew my jackfruit. Now the SweetSop. So when you go into it, guys, with your mouth, with your teeth, then you're gonna spit the seed out, and you just eat the fruit inside. And you know, the skin, I don't eat it, but sometimes I find myself chewing on the skin. But it's the inside you eat. I think in the past I did chew the skin, but not all of it. Okay, so it's sweet. Reminds me of brown sugar. And these are all foods from nature. So guys, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Other things that I like, such as the outdoor, and yeah, other things that I enjoy, you know, nature, being outdoor, the greenery, the chirping of the birds, the trees swaying, you know, the cool summer breeze. I like that kind of feeling. So thank you for joining me in another video. You give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and leave a comment down below. Okay, and stay safe.